Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome everybody to the Gunn Show. I am Shotgun Tony Gunn. I am the master of the YTO, which means you'll tap out. And I am the best wrestler here. Now tonight, I have a match against Rudy Switchblade. Now Rudy, I know you're back there listening because you're about to come out. I want to tell you this. You're one of the most well-known wrestlers in the area. You're good, but I'm telling you this, I am the best. So sit back and enjoy the show.
On the face of the planet. That guy right there training the New Japan dojos with the likes of Daniel Bryan, with the likes of Samoa Joe. People just do not know about it.
Yeah, I think Tony Gunn's got his hands full here. Right now he's got Rudy in an arm wringer. Inside out. Yep. Arm wringer back out of his own.
Rudy never lets go. Never lets go the whole time. Drop the neck, back up. Seasoned veteran, 18 years in the ring.
He always got
many wars from all over the different areas of the place. That's a guy right there that never gets the recognition for being
into an arm wringer, into a side headlock takedown. Almost got a pin out of it. Tony Gunn rolls him over. Rudy Switchblade back up to his feet.
Oh, he brought him back.
Ooh, European uppercut.
Brought him back up with a front transfer into a European uppercut.
Yeah. I mean, staying inside headlock. We're trying to pick him up. Roll through. Leg sweep.
Grabs both feet. Nope.
Set him up for a Texas Cobra League, B.
Nope.
Rudy Switchblade is too smart for that. We're about a minute.
Nice exchange at the beginning, man. I'm telling you this much right now. Tony does not want to underestimate Rudy Switchblade.
Now we're about a minute in.
He's been everywhere and he's done everything.
So we're only about a minute 30 into this, and you're not gonna, get Rudy tied up in a minute 30. It's not gonna happen.
No. Now I'll tell you something else too. This is the only place Outcast Wrestling said that you're gonna see Rudy against Tom. It's the only place you're gonna see that.
Tony Gunn just got him a nice side headlock reached in right there.
Oh yeah.
He's working him over real good right now. Rudy Switchblade shot to the bread basket. Roll through.
Tony, look out.
Leg sweep down. There he goes. He's going for his own Boston crab. Now Tony Gunn got to the ropes for a break. Too early in the contest for that.
Oh yeah. He doesn't want to go toe for toe with Rudy Switchblade.
And now he's going to shoot his mouth up at the fans. I don't know if it's just me, B, but I'd probably be worried about Rudy Switchblade, and I wouldn't be worried about the kid in the front row.
No. I'm more worried about Rudy Switchblade locking himself in his stomach than a big guy.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've seen Rudy. It looks like Rudy's lost a few pounds. He's slimmed down a little bit.
Oh yeah, man. I want to thank Tony Sharp for letting me call this match, man. I have never got to call a Rudy Switchblade match live.
On the ropes, shoulder tackle. Rudy Switchblade looks at him. Step over, leap. Duck the clothesline. Oh, slide through. Pulls him down. Double foot stomp right to the breadbasket. A kick in the face. And a senton.
Look at that, boy. Got Tommy worried, boy. Tony Gunn is just worried about what's going to happen next. This is the kick.
Rudy's kind of smiling. He got that sadistic smile. Face plant. Oh,
his hand. On the other hand, Shotgun is just.
Oh, the standing drop kick. There's a basement drop kick there, but anyway, it's on his knees. Beautifully done by Rudy Switchblade. Slams him into the corner. Big right hand.
I'm telling you, the way he places those forearms, man, it's just.
Reversal on the Irish whip. Leg up and over. Hits the rope, full head of steam. Ducks the clothesline. Just shows him up. Tony Gunn misses the dive out to the floor. Rudy Switchblade just took him to school. Yeah, he just took him to school.
Good buddy GJB. People don't know they go way back. The guy who just won the Cruiserweight Classic.
Oh, Rudy Switchblade's going to come inside out. No one home.
On his feet, though, kind of wedged the knee a little bit. You got to watch out for Tony Gunn coming back in.
Yeah.
Tony Gunn's a dirty kind of guy that we hit him.
Yeah, right in the knee. Taking advantage of the situation.
They count him.
Tell you what, Tony Gunn, he's kind of methodical. Rudy Switchblade jumped through into an ace crusher. Rudy Switchblade, beautiful maneuver. Tony Gunn rolled outside the ring. Gonna take a breather. He's gonna regroup.
Rudy's going out after him too. I don't understand the mentality tonight.
Yeah, well,
everybody wants to go out there outside. Oh, slam his hand.
but that mentality may work. Rattle his brains on the ring apron. Oh, nice chop.
I say it all the time, man. I'm a big fan of transition game. Rudy Switchblade just pulled off two of the best transitions I've seen in a while.
Oh, another hard chop for Rudy. Tony Gunn kicked him in the midsection. Rudy chops him for his troubles, throws him in the ring. Kid in the front row chanting one more time. I like that kid. Oh, stiff kick. Irish whip, reversal, the kneel down. Tony Gunn get a big head of steam. Back elbow. Rudy Switchblade, no. Tony Gunn catches him, dragging through, leg whip.
Dragging right in the corner. That did not look pretty on top, man. Rudy's knee.
And Tony Gunn, look at him, he's got a good smile. He's liking it. He's a little sadistic.
It looks like he's kind of got that knee a little bit more wrapped up. He may have came in with a little problem today.
Yeah, but see, Tony's going to work on the knee. Smart move by Tony Gunn. A lot of people don't like him for his tactics, but really smart in-ring professional wrestler.
Oh, yeah, and he's been around the area for a long time. He's not somebody that's going to get a quick victory over, that's going to see someone thrown in. That guy came to battle.
Yeah. Well, we got a full house here at Outcast Wrestling Syndicate, so he's coming to show what he can do.
Oh, yeah, he's hoping to garner a spot on the roster. Twice a month, right here at the arena. So you guys want to get out there, make sure you do download the OWS Android app. You can go to Google Play and search for Outcast Wrestling, and there it is. Download it, put it on your phone.
Download it, get right to the side of the head right there, B.
Oh, man, to keep up with all of the OWS action via the app.
See, nice shot to the back. Pulls his hair, then a kick for good measures. He's looking for a spot on the card. Tony Gunn is here to play. And guys, if you run up,
he's smiling, he's happy.
A little smiling.
He's such a joke.
Yeah. But, hey, he's got to do what he's got to do, B.
Oh, yeah. I don't blame him at all. I mean, a win's a win.
Yeah, if it gets you psyched up and gets you going, you got to smile a little bit, too. I want to thank Tony Shark for this big monitor we got here. You can see the action, what's going on when they get outside the ring. Slams and Switchblade's head into the ring apron. Tony Gunn, mouthing off, swings him right back into the ring.
At a 6 count, he has 4 left to beat on.
Tony Gunn might get himself counted out. He don't get back into the ring. I agree with Tony Gunn. That kid there gets on my nerves.
The little kid's just so close to eat his ass.
We got a 2 count.
I don't like that little kid.
Yeah, that kid was rude.
I wonder what kind of upbringing he had to have to say that, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe that's just what that kid's been through. Yeah. He's bearing down. He's methodical, though, because he's making Rudy bear his way, too, now.
Well, see, this is
being down on one knee.
Yeah, we've talked about this before. That's a wear down holding. He's stretching him out now. And he's rubbing his knee right in the middle of the spine to add the pressure.
You know, the spine and the knee in the middle of the spine is more like a dick hole.
Yeah. He's saying, look, I got him. Nah, I'll take that, punk. Switchblade, nice move!
Backwards donkey kick out of it.
Kick to the dome. Tony Gunn into a chin breaker. Ducks the clothesline. Big chop. Ducks another one. Third one.
Kobashi chops.
Irish whip holds on to him. Knee to the bread basket. Hits the ropes. High knee lift. Got him in the fireman carry position. Oh, into it. Fireman carry into a gut buster. Beautiful maneuver.
It's no joke. I've been telling you people, I hope you start listening, man. His transition game is on point. If you come up against Rudy Switchblade, you better be ready to fight.
Oh, double knees. He's up. That's a knuckle driver. Ooh, 2 count out of it.
7/8. Switchblade looking a little bad for himself. He's like, I don't know. I think he thought that was going to put him away.
Well, this knuckle driver's putting many opponents away. Made famous by Takamura Noki. Oh, could Rudy be going for a top rope maneuver? Going to the high rib district. Tony Gunn's up to his feet. Flying forearm. Fans in the front row calling for a superplex. Tony Gunn going up. Could we be seeing a top rope superplex, B? It's like Rudy's fighting back out of it, though. Rudy pushes him off.
Tommy down. Sorry.
Runs in for a flying forearm. Oh, he's got him. Dragon screw leg off the top rope, B.
Oh, man. It might be it, man.
Oh, he's working over the knee. See,
He may have to call it.
Tony Gunn, when I thought he was out, I thought he was about to get done in by Switchblade. He hits him with a top rope dragon screw leg whip right to the same knee. Got him. Wait for the Texas cloverleaf. Roll through. Oh, a 2 count.
Tony comes up first, though.
Yeah, hits the rope, full set of speed. Kick to the face.
Kick to the top of the head.
2 count. It's been a hard fight contest. We're about 12 minutes into this, B. Tony Gunn going back to work on the lower extremities. Kicked him off the rope.
Clothesline.
Yeah, basement clothesline there. 2 count.
Rudy out of 2. Rudy's feeling it, though. Look at him. You see his face, the pain in his face. I think his knee is dropped.
Yeah. 12 and a half minutes in. It's a hard fought contest right now. Tony Gunn getting a little aggravated. Going right back to his legs, though. He's going for the Texas closer reef.
He's trying to roll him over.
He's trying to roll him over right here.
He gets him over.
Got him over. Rudy Switchblade's awful close to the ropes, though, B. He's awful close to the ropes. He's sitting deep on that Texas cloverleaf, though.
Maybe could be caught on the power.
Yeah.
I've seen it happen.
Rudy got to the ropes.
He's got a 5 seconds break.
Methodically.
I'm telling you right now, Tony Gunn's looking a little bit worse for Ray, man. He's looking like you don't know what it's going to take to put him away.
But Rudy Switchblade is that dude, though. He's tough.
Oh, yeah.
He's a tough competitor. Rudy Switchblade picks him up in the fireman's carry.
Oh, his knee, though.
Knee gave out. A reverse DDT. 2 count.
Rudy out again.
What's it going to take to put Rudy Switchblade away?
I'll tell you what. I don't know. I think it was, boss.
You can understand, though, why Tony Gunn's upset. He's hit Rudy Switchblade with everything. He's hit him with everything. Yeah. Oh, setting him up.
Oh, he's stopping. He could be going for the super kick.
the corner. Oh, he misses a splash. Stands up, misses the box senton. Rudy Switchblade.
Crafty veteran.
Catches him. Off leg takedown. Into a standing Boston Crab. Nice deep Boston Crab there. Tony Gunn's digging for the ropes. Is he going to tap him? Is he going to tap? Oh, it's a roll break.
1, 2, 3.
Rudy Switchblade.
I don't know what they're watching.
Yeah. Hits to the side. Oh, high knee there. High knee right to the face of Tony Gunn. Chin breaker by Tony Gunn. Springboard. 15 minutes in, Rudy Switchblade hits a springboard, spinning heel kick. That lady got a beat down. We're at an 8 count.
Standing 8, so back up.
Blocks the right hand, got a right hand for his own. Blocks him again, another right hand. Blocks him a third time. That's
Vicious rise from Rudy.
Oh,
that was close to being all through the throat. Double chop the throat. He puts his hands on the left again. I think it's a DQ.
Whoa, got the ref tied up. Oh, low blow by Tony
Oh,
Gunn.
the ref didn't see it. Max didn't see that.
Into an ice crusher.
Ice crusher.